Object destructuring is one of the most important concepts to learn for React developers because you'll see object destructuring in almost every React project. Let's consider this object called drama, and it has 4 keys: title, actor, producer, and designer, right? If our writer is good in the old way of doing this, we have to create a new variable, and then we have to say newDrama.title, newDrama.producer. It's pretty much annoying, right? But let me show you how you can do with object destructuring in just one line. We can use const. Here we can use the object destructuring, which is curly braces. To get access to the object, we have to assign this to this object itself, and then the keys of this object like title and producer. It's pretty simple, right? We don't have to write 3 lines of code. We can access this code in just one line: title and producer. So let's run this code. So you get these values, right? For title is JavaScript for React, the producer, AI matrix, AI bot matrix. Okay, now these 2 object keys there, you can see it's not the original one. It's a clone from this original one, right? Because if I even change this title and producer and title, the original one will not be affected. Let me show you. So let me change this to let, otherwise it not work. With constant we cannot reassign this value. And now if I change this to title to other values, not okay, fine. So let me run it again. So you can see here the values for title and this is for producer. Okay, so that means the original one is not affected. Let me show you. Drama.title and drama.producer. Let me run this code again. So this is the modified one with the modified values, and this is the original values that's come from the object itself. Now there's one more thing. We can also destructure incoming function parameters or arguments using object destructuring. Okay, let me show you. So here are the functions called JavaScript for React or JS for React, and we pass this object itself in these arguments, which is drama, and then we get access to title keys of this objects, which is drama. Okay, let me run this function JS for React, and then pass these original drama objects. This is search for the original drama, which is the drama object itself, and then we'll get access to this title keys from there. Okay, let me show the results. So let me run this code again. So you can see these values is shown here, JavaScript for React, and this title has come from here. It's come from here, right? Cool. Now we don't have to use the dot notation. We can use the object destructuring here. Let's see the results. Here's the values, right? Pretty much same. Now let's take this one level further to reflect data change. This is another object inside this object. This is called nested objects. If I want to get access to these nested objects, first write this object itself and then key it itself, right? Type 1 or type 2. Okay, fine. Let me run this code. So you see the values. Education. It's come from where? It's come from here, right? Type 1. Is it clear? I think it's clear. If you have any problem to understanding this concept, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.